Hello viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Atomi electric scooter. In the past I have made a video, you can check below at the description or at the end of this video. Today I will show you how to replace the rear tire from the motor wheel. The tire has often been punctured and is slowly losing air, so I decided to replace it with this one. No need to fill with air, it is a solid tire. Puncture it as many times as you want, you will never have a problem again. There is two screws here at the bottom. It's holding this plastic left and right. Remove these two screws. And you need to remove this cover and the tape, double tape. Because underneath the tape you have another two screws here. Same screws. Same, and from the other side. Just pull. And we have then the cable for the left and right blinkers. Okay, I have already removed it and the other two screws. Try to remove the cover. Okay, remove it and the cover. And here it is the connection and for the motor. But first I need to remove these screws here. One at the right and one at the left that are holding the motor with a wheel. Two Allen keys, one here and one here. With one washer. And we have another two screws here, another two screws here, small screws. And then you can remove the motor. Unplug. That was all. Then remove the air. And then press. Let's see how I will remove the tire. Heat gun. Okay, that was easy. Now we need hot water, new tire for 20 minutes. Oh, it is hot. Now, that way, so, okay, let's lubricate a little bit. Oh yes. Perfect! I like it. Now let's leave it to cool down and then I will install it again at my electric scooter. It is on room temperature right now, solid tire, bonded very well with the wheel. We need to put back again all the screws, start and connect the electric motor. And after all the screws are in place, apply double-sided adhesive tape to the silicone foot pad. I will no longer use the air valve for obvious reasons. It is very comfortable when I ride my scooter, although I can find the differences between the new and the old tire. It is more or less the same. But I'm glad I changed it because now I do not have to worry if I lose air in my tire for any reason. Just buy it without thinking and follow my steps to install it on your scooter. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.